Okay, this is the second part, and right now we are going to make our textures. We have our normal map and our ambient occlusion map. So right now we just have to create color map and specular map. You see, I took this red color for the flash, and I'm trying to use a mask to paint this flash area. And we have to do this all over our texture. So you can see result in 3D. Of course we have to make this teeth white. But of course not completely white. We want them to have a little bit of yellow coloration. And right now you see I've skipped a little bit, and we have almost all the flash area covered by the red color. Right now I'm covering the tongue. So you see, this is how it looks. Okay, so at this stage I'm just gonna show you how to create a cavity map that we will use, and I'm going to create this cavity map from our normal map. This time we will not use xnormal or anything like this. I will create just by the hand. this cavity map. So the trick is to copy your green and red channel from your normal map and use emboss filter to create your cavity map. And you see I have it put it on the color map, and it's set as a soft light. I turn down a little bit opacity, and this is how it looks. It adds shadows and highlights in certain places, so I think it's pretty good effect for this. And of course we have to create specular right now. We will copy the diffuse and convert it to the specular by desaturating. And of course making some highlights more effective and shadows more stronger. So I wanted to check how the tank looks, and I've decided to make our specular even stronger. I mean shadows a little bit stronger to break the specular a little bit more. And now I am satisfied with the look of our tank. So I was happy with the result that we have right now. I've just moved the upper part to check the inside of the mount a little bit better. And it looks okay. I've turned on viewport 2.0 and I've enabled the screen ambient occlusion, so it will make the inside part of the mount a little bit darker. So it's good effect. Of course, not in every engine you've got this option, and I found also a little bit of bug on our lips. But the teeth are looking pretty okay to me. So I'm happy with the result, and I think that's it. Okay, so there is one more thing we should do, and this is our throat and the inside part of the mouth. This object can be very simple, and it can has only a color applied, so it doesn't have to have any kind of texture, just only color will be fine. So the best way to start it is just extract a part of lips, and from that point extrude this edge and create a simple space for our teeth and tongue. Of course there's lots of tweaking and trying to put it on the right position, but you just have to do this to make everything looks good. And of course you have to, at the end you have to merge this inside part of the mouth and the throat to your head. So this will be like one object with your head. Okay, so we have to just mirror this to the other side, and mainly that's the end of this part.